Welcome to Growth Center. One place for all your solutions related to careers, personal counseling, be it our studies abroad too.
To ensure overall effectiveness, we at Growth Center also conduct a lot of workshops. These workshops are customized for students, for individuals and teachers as well.
One of the services that we offer at Growth Center is psychometric assessment. We do clinical and vocational assessment. The tools that has been used by Growth Center, they are standardized by psychologists on Indian population.
We also conduct a lot of academic enhancement sessions called the interactive sessions, which solely focus on the fact that the process of learning, the requirements which ensure enhancement of learning are given to students. It simply includes memory techniques, it also includes study habits. It varies with age groups, so that's one area that Growth Center functions with.
Growth Center offers study abroad services. When I talk about study abroad, it has mainly coaching and counseling. So when I talk about coaching, in the past 10 years, we have coached thousands of students, I can say, to get their best scores up till now.
We are a team of professionals wherein psychologists, HR professionals, academicians, all at one place to cater to the ever-increasing queries of students, parents and individuals, be it at the academic level or at the personal level or even at the work-life level.
Along with that, we also undertake a lot of CSR projects, which is the corporate social responsibility projects. The aim is to ensure the services rendered by our organization to reach the underprivileged children. A lot of organizations are actually putting in and taking a step ahead, and we are working along with them.
We have helped these students to apply to various universities in various countries like US, UK, Australia, Canada, Singapore and so on. In the past 10 years, the experience that we have gained by helping the students to achieve the best fit universities for their profile.
Students and working professionals take our services of assessment to identify the best option for them.
The aim is clear: learning and obviously developing oneself. As an extension, we are happy to introduce Career Growth, our very own YouTube career channel.
Career Growth, the aim of the channel to orient you to the various aspects of your career and also guide you for your decision-making process.
For parents, this is going to be an insightful session so that they can facilitate their child's career decision making. Career Growth, the aim is simple: to give you enough information to make an informed decision. Careers, career aspirants, professionals, academicians, industry experts, all will be a part of this YouTube channel. So stay tuned and subscribe immediately to our channel on Career Growth.